Yeah, I was very excited to be part of that session. Ken Anderson came swinging out, telling us about all the benefits of MRD testing in myeloma, and really inspired us. At this meeting, we finally started seeing data on the importance of MRD in Waldenström's. This was a term we didn't even use up to this meeting. And now with the study going on in Canada by Neil Berenstein, the BRAWM study combining acalabrutinib along with bendamustine Rituxan, they were able to get patients down to very minimal disease. And their assays were picking up minimal residual disease, but at a very, very low level. This excites us because now we can use this data to help enact more interest in the use of MRD. What does it portend possibly for us? Well, maybe it might define the patients that you can treat to a certain endpoint and then stop treatment. It may portend, when to restart a patient when they come out of MRD. But more importantly, it will give us a tool that we might be able to take to the regulators, much like the myeloma world now has, because a lot of the therapies we're using are causing very long progression-free survival. This is a good thing, but if you want to get a drug approved, it means you're going to have to sit around for a long period of time to get results, and this isn't feasible with most companies, particularly in smaller diseases. But can we use MRD as a surrogate endpoint for getting drug approvals? This is really the challenge, and we're excited to take this challenge on.